Hello.
Hello.
So this is my cousin. He just learned how to solve a Rubik's cube. And he's gonna solve. He also solved a 4x4 Rubik's cube. Should go grab it. But he's gonna solve 4 of them. Okay. So look at one. Ready, set, go.
My Uncle Matt already stood across from me. My uncle, my bad.
Uncle, not dad. My dad. My
I
dad.
said my uncle.
I'm gonna go grab the 4x4.
Okay, bye. No, wait, I'm at my aunt's house.
You just keep going. But
Ow!
this is the 4x4 he solved.
And he can still not solve Rubik's Cube.
I can barely solve.
You can barely even solve side.
Yeah. He also solved the 2x2, but it's being used for a camera set right now.
One solved. Surprise.
Well, this cube and the cube he's using right now are the Rubik's brands, so he can't go that fast. But otherwise, these two are different. They're from someplace.
They're from Japan.
And they're also like speed cubes.
Learn your
They're all mixed. These are all mixed up.
Learn your Japanese. My turn. Ask them questions.
How you doing?
That's the best question ever.
I don't know.
That's all.
The only reason he's not like doing the world records of like 10 seconds, well, the world record of 4 seconds, but the reason he's not going really fast is because he literally just learned how to solve a Rubik's Cube.
And I learned them like a month ago or something.
He was given a Rubik's Cube a month ago, and then he solved it.
I watched a video, then I memorized all the things you have to do in that video. Hey, why are you scrambling it?
I'm not scrambling it.
Oh, you're doing that trick?
Yeah.
Choose all. This one's on my good brand because cheese cube. Show them that I solved them.
Those two are solved.
Cross done.
Not remembering that he took it in the morning and or something, yeah.
That one's this. That one's this.
Yeah.
Dude, these two cubes are mine. This one's his. This one all over there is mine, and then that one's his. And then this is a phone.
Yeah, that's my phone. I got it for Christmas. You know what I'm saying.
Phone.
That's the best one. That algorithm is probably like one of the easiest ones I've ever done.
So doesn't it take a minute for you to solve one cube?
Yeah, so they're probably taking 4 minutes.
It's already 4 minutes.
Oh.
Oh, I should have timed you on here.
Are you kidding me? Why do I have to do this a lot? I need you peel
speed cube solved.
One more.
Solved. Jeez.
Ooh, you broke it. You broke it.
Like a tower. We have so many Rubik's cubes in this house. I want to get the triangle one.
Yeah, I'm getting that one. I'm still waiting it.
Leave a like if you've seen the 30x30 Rubik's cube. I haven't
No,
even
leave
seen
a like
it.
if you made it.
Leave a like if you've solved it. No. There's gonna be very few likes. Leave a like if you solved a Rubik's Cube.
You would like you solve it one by one.
Subscribe if you've seen this dude before. And just subscribe if you want to, or just subscribe if you solved this one.
Yeah, yours is a lot tighter than mine, so it turns pretty good.
I want the hexagon one.
Pyramix?
They're weird.
It's called a Pyramix.
Oh, bruh. Duh. It's not a
Duh.
hexagon, it just
Don't
looks like a
use
hexagon in the front. It looks like a hexagon in the front.
I need to do that algorithm like 5 times. There, all of them solved.
Oh, yeah. Put on music. Well,
Those are yours.
leave a like if you just do it anyways. But never mind.
Wait. What's that?
And there's this 2x2,
I'm
which
gonna
is also a
solve it.
Rubik's brand, which is terrible.
Yeah, it's like the worst band ever. And I'm going to solve it right now.
Red, white, and blue. No, wait. Red, white, and blue.
Chicken and nugget.
They know where you are.
Okay, so. And that's good.
Why?
So, that's it.
No!
Please like and subscribe.
No!